Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member, and her name is Edwina, and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet." Hi Edwina. "I'm having a destination wedding soon in Africa. This is the cascading bouquet I would like to make myself for my big day. My wedding colors are peach and gold. I love calla lilies and hydrangea. Could you please help me bring my dream to life? Our wedding is soon. Hope you can help. Edwina." Well, Edwina, I am so excited to be a part, no matter how small, of a destination wedding in Africa. I think that is amazing. And an amazing destination deserves an amazing bridal bouquet. And we're going to show you how to make that for right around $50. So excited to share this with you. So let's get started with this week's project, Peach Blossom Cascading Wedding Bouquet. All right, guys, let's go. We are going to create the foundation for our bouquet with a straight handle bouquet holder, a 6-inch half ball, and a satin bouquet collar. Now, first thing we're going to do is cut a center hole that will fit the tip of the bouquet holder with our foam cutter. And here's another tip. If you can't find a 6-inch half ball, get a full ball, cut it in half, and then save it for another day. Now that our hole is cut, we're going to go ahead and assemble it all with just a little help from our hot glue gun. It's important to remember that in order to create that cascading effect, you need to cut your stems of your flowers at various lengths. The lengths of these stems are anywhere from 10 inches to 4 inches long. So don't be scared. Play around with your stems. Don't attach it with hot glue until you know that's what you want and that's where you want it. Well, Edwina, what do you think? It is absolutely stunning. I can imagine this bouquet being held by you as a beautiful bride at a sunset wedding on a mountaintop in Africa. I mean, my imagination has just gone wild. So I just am so appreciative that you would like us to be a part of that special day. Be sure to post pictures we want to see. If you like this wedding bouquet, please like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you'd like an extra special notification, be sure to click on that little button, that little bell right down in the corner, and you'll get a special notification the moment our videos are live. Be sure to leave a question or write a comment. We are here to help you. It may take me a little while to get to your questions and comments, but trust me, it is me and I will get to them. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And of course, if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. So simple, head down to the description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. What are you waiting for? It's just for you. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com shop, where you will find all of your DIY digital planning guide needs. We have wonderful planning guides, everything from planning your wedding to planning a party to even helping your maid of honor help you have the wedding of your dreams. It's all there for you. Go ahead and click right there in the corner and check us out. We are so grateful for those of you who have already gotten your DIY digital downloadable planner and have told us what a great help it was to you. Once again, our time has gone by so fast. We want to thank you for hanging out with us yet again another week. We know that you have so many options on YouTube, and we just appreciate you choosing to spend this time with us. Don't forget to head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can click right there in the corner. It'll take you straight there if you would like to submit a project request. We love helping you create the visions that you have imagined. And if you would need our help, head on over there, click on the Project Request tab, and follow the very simple steps. Make sure you do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast. In addition to that, you'll find the written as well as picture instructions for all of our projects and a free resource library there. So check us all out. The blog posts are excellent, and because we can't put everything on our weekly video tutorial. So hope to see you on over there on MissPlanIt.com. Well, guys, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.